Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching a different question and answer in this question and answer series by class teacher. So today's question which we'll be discussing is Kaydee Kites sold a big order of kites to a taxable customer, Circus Town. They should have charged sales tax but did not do so. Circus Town already paid that invoice in full. Which steps should you recommend to charge Circus Town only the sales tax on a follow-up invoice? So there are some answers. There are some options. Sorry, create a new invoice. Enter a sales tax item in the item details grid. Option B, create a credit memo against the first invoice and create a new replacement invoice including the sales tax. Option 3, create an invoice using kites in the item details grid with a quantity of 0, then overwrite the sales tax so that the invoice is sales tax only. And option D, create an invoice for a bundle where the bundle consists of plus one taxable item and plus one non-taxable item, and put taxable item in the rate column. So the correct step recommended for charging Circus Town only the sales tax to follow invoices. Option C, create an invoice using guides in the item details grid with a quantity of 0, then override the sales tax so that the invoice is sales tax only. So that's the correct answer. If you still have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next question, bye bye.